Scientists suggest that the candles on your birthday cake might be lying to you. Have you ever wondered why two 60-year-olds can look and perform as if they are decades apart? One is running marathons, while the other struggles with basic mobility. This is the difference between your chronological age, the number of years you've been alive, and your biological age, the actual state of your internal systems. If you want to know how to turn back your epigenetic clock, why zombie cells are secretly aging you from the inside out, and the specific 3-minute habit that can trigger a total cellular reset, be with us until the end. We are moving past the fountain of youth myths to investigate the hard, science-backed truth of human longevity. To understand how to reverse aging, we must look at the current U.S. landscape. According to data from the CDC and the National Library of Medicine, life expectancy in the United States has seen unprecedented fluctuations, yet our health span, the years we spend free of disease, is shrinking. Research on PubMed Central highlights a staggering statistic. Approximately 60% of American adults have at least one chronic disease, many of which are age-related. We are living longer, but we are staying sick longer. However, data reveals that your genetics only account for about 20 to 25% of how long you live. The remaining 75%? That is entirely under your control. Scientists suggest that aging isn't just wear and tear, it is a loss of information. Inside your cells, your DNA is like a piano, and your epigenome is the pianist. As we age, the pianist starts making mistakes. According to science, this leads to the accumulation of senescent cells, often called zombie cells. These cells stop dividing but refuse to die, lingering in your body and pumping out inflammatory signals that damage healthy neighboring cells. Data from the NLM confirms that the buildup of these zombie cells is a primary driver of biological aging. But what if you could force your body to clean them out? Number 1, the Autophagy protocol. Have you ever heard of a biological self-clean button? It's called Autophagy. Scientists suggest that when you stop eating for a specific window, typically 14 to 16 hours, your body switches from growth mode to repair mode. Research in PubMed Central proves that this process silences a pathway called mTOR and activates AMPK, an enzyme that acts as a metabolic master switch. According to data, this process literally eats the damaged proteins and zombie cells for fuel, effectively lowering your biological age at a cellular level. Number 2, the mitochondrial reset. Your mitochondria are the batteries of your cells. Data reveals that one of the strongest predictors of longevity in the US is your VO2 max, the maximum amount of oxygen your body can use during exercise. Research on the National Library of Medicine shows that high-intensity interval training HIIT can increase mitochondrial capacity by up to 69% in older adults. You aren't just getting fit, you are signaling your cells to remain young. Scientists suggest that maintaining muscle mass as you age is the single most important insurance policy against biological decline. Number 3, hormetic nutrition. Have you ever wondered why people in blue zones, regions where people live to 100, eat so many polyphenols? According to science, plants produced under stress like wild berries or dark greens contain molecules that trigger a survival response in humans. This is called hormesis. Data from PubMed Central suggests that compounds like sulforaphane from broccoli sprouts and resveratrol from grapes activate the sirtuin genes, often called the longevity genes. These genes are the mechanics that repair your DNA and protect your telomeres, the protective caps on your chromosomes. But there is a catch. Scientists suggest that you cannot hack your way out of poor sleep. During deep sleep, your brain's lymphatic system opens up, washing away metabolic waste like beta amyloid. Important nuance. If you are not getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, your biological age will accelerate regardless of your diet. According to data, even one night of sleep deprivation can cause a temporary spike in inflammatory markers that mimic advanced aging. Scientists suggest that every time you inhale or ingest specific industrial compounds, you are physically shortening your DNA's protective caps. To halt the acceleration of biological aging, you must eliminate these primary drivers of oxidative stress and mitochondrial decay, combustion, and nicotine delivery. Beyond the obvious risks, traditional cigarettes and high-output vaping devices introduce carbon monoxide and heavy metals that cause direct DNA strand breaks. Ethanol toxicity, regular consumption of alcohol, whether it is spirits, beers, or even consistent social wine, produces acetaldehyde, a potent neurotoxin that prevents your cells from repairing their own genetic code. Glycation agents, products saturated with high fructose corn syrup, or processed snacks, trigger the formation of advanced glycation end products AGs. These molecules literally caramelize your internal proteins, leading to stiff arteries and degraded skin collagen. The longevity audit, precision checkups. According to data, you cannot manage what you do not measure. For a Tier 1 longevity protocol, scientists suggest moving from an annual checkup to a biannual twice-a-year blood analysis to track the velocity of your aging biomarkers in real time. To accurately calculate your biological age, ensure your medical provider runs this specific longevity panel, hs-CRP high-sensitivity C-reactive protein, the gold standard for measuring systemic, low-grade inflammation. HbA1c, This tracks your 90-day average blood glucose and the level of glycation occurring in your hemoglobin. ApoB, apolipoprotein B, a much more accurate predictor of cardiovascular plaque buildup than a standard LDL test. Vitamin D325 hydroxy, vital for maintaining the integrity of your immune system and bone density. Cystatin C, a more sensitive marker for kidney filtration than traditional creatinine tests. Omega-3 index, measures the fatty acid composition of your red blood cell membranes to assess cellular health. DEXA scan annual, to monitor your visceral fat levels and bone mineral density, both of which are critical longevity currency. Reversing your biological age isn't about one miracle drug. It is about a consistent metabolic protocol, triggering autophagy, maintaining your VO2 max, and feeding your sirtuins. Scientists suggest that it is never too late to start. Even starting these habits in your 50s or 60s can add years of high-quality health span to your life. Tell us in the comments. Based on your current habits, do you think your biological age is older or younger than your birthday? Let's discuss the science below. If you want more evidence-based guides to human optimization, subscribe to Healthy Science. To your health.